Did you know that silverfish can survive for months without food? These resilient pests can be an unwelcome surprise in your home, silently feasting on your books, wallpaper, and even your clothing. But don't panic. If you're wondering how to get rid of silverfish overnight, we've got you covered. With a few simple home remedies, you can tackle these annoying creatures fast and reclaim your living space. Here's our countdown on the top 6 natural solutions to eliminate silverfish quickly. 6. Cinnamon, a silverfish deterrent. Cinnamon is a surprisingly effective silverfish repellent. Not only does it smell great, but it also works by interfering with the silverfish's breathing and making it difficult for them to move freely. How to use it. Place cinnamon sticks or sprinkle ground cinnamon around areas where you've noticed silverfish activity. You can also place cinnamon near cracks and crevices where silverfish may enter. The scent will keep them away, and with repeated applications, you'll see a noticeable decrease in silverfish numbers. 5. Cucumber slices, a silverfish's aversion. Silverfish have an aversion to cucumber, and it can be used as a natural method to keep them at bay. The sharp, bitter scent of cucumber is unpleasant to silverfish and will often drive them away. How to use it. Cut fresh cucumber slices and place them in areas where silverfish have been seen. You can also place cucumber peels in corners and dark spaces around your home. This method not only helps repel silverfish, but also provides a refreshing, natural aroma. 4. Baking soda, a silverfish's worst nightmare. Baking soda is another easy-to-use household item that can help you banish silverfish fast. The alkaline nature of baking soda disrupts the silverfish's digestive system. When they ingest it, it can lead to dehydration and death. How to use it. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda in areas where silverfish are hiding or crawling. Focus on places like behind furniture, in corners, or near food sources. Leave the baking soda overnight and vacuum it up the next day, along with any dead silverfish that may have been affected. 3. Essential oils, a pleasant yet powerful repellent. Silverfish are known to dislike the scent of certain essential oils, making them a perfect natural deterrent. Oils like lavender, citrus, and cedarwood have proven to repel silverfish effectively. These oils work by disrupting the silverfish's sense of smell and making their environment unpleasant. How to use it. Mix 10 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray the mixture around areas where silverfish have been spotted, such as closets, bathrooms, or dark corners of your home. For a more concentrated solution, you can apply the oil directly to cotton balls and place them in areas frequented by silverfish. 2. Diatomaceous earth, a natural silverfish killer. Diatomaceous earth is a natural, non-toxic powder made from the fossilized remains of aquatic organisms. It's a highly effective way to control silverfish and other pests. When silverfish crawl over the powder, the tiny, sharp particles puncture their exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate and die. The best part: diatomaceous earth is safe to use around children and pets, provided it's food-grade quality. How to use it. Sprinkle a light dusting of diatomaceous earth around areas where you've noticed silverfish activity, such as cracks in walls, under sinks, or along baseboards. Leave it overnight, and by morning, you'll likely see fewer silverfish, with many of them gone for good. Reapply the powder every few days until the infestation is under control. 1. Proper home maintenance, preventing future silverfish infestations. Once you've eliminated the silverfish in your home, it's important to take steps to prevent them from coming back. Silverfish thrive in humid, dark environments, so reducing moisture is key to keeping them away. How to prevent future infestations. Repair any leaks around pipes or windows. Seal cracks and gaps around windows and doors where silverfish may enter. Store food in airtight containers to prevent attracting silverfish. Getting rid of silverfish overnight is possible with the right tools and natural remedies. While silverfish aren't known to carry diseases, their presence can be disruptive, and their ability to damage your belongings is real. By taking quick action and using the tips above, you'll be well on your way to a silverfish-free home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.